Hello, this is Calvina right back at you guys with another video. Okay, today we're going to talk about the Legacy Builders program that is actually a digital marketing program that is basically a copy and paste system. Okay, so you can copy and paste the six-figure blueprint on basically social media accounts, some like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and others. Okay, what is the Legacy Builders? It's a copy and paste program that shares a simple blueprint, faceless, done-for-you content, free funnel created, and taught by a self-made millionaire. Okay, this is the funnel. You'll get this free funnel. Alright, this system is fully automated. There are some techie things that you will be doing that has training videos, step-by-step training videos on basically how to put this funnel together. The funnels are pretty together, just got to do a little bit of, not to say coding, but you got to fill in the blanks basically. Let's just say that. Okay? So, just to let you guys know that. So, if you're looking for a work from home opportunity, you definitely want to check out this program. It is beginner friendly, newbie friendly. Okay? If you've never sold a thing online, this program will get you on the right steps to start earning an income online successfully. Alright? This program will start you to start basically earning successfully online. Alright? Now I do want to say my earning disclaimer, it is pretty much up to you. I'm not guaranteeing you anything. Alright, it basically depends on your consistency and work ethic. Okay? So I do want to let you know that. Alright, so this is a free funnel that you would get. Okay? Next. This is a fully automated system that will work for you 24/7. It is beginner friendly, what I explained before. There is a pay plan that's available. You get paid daily, meaning if you make a commission, you get paid today. Okay, this is a 5-step program. Okay, number 1, you promote a product or programs that are in high demand. Step 2, you automate your business. Step 3 is getting your business discovered. Places like I just said, basically on social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, just to name a few for you guys. Okay? Know who your perfect, you're gonna be trained to know who your perfect customer is, and basically getting new customers. There's a community, it's called the Digital Growth Community. Alright, it will train you on the skills. You'll basically get online support in the Digital Growth Community, basically on it, inside. And with this, you will be working 2 hours a day. Alright, basically, you'll be working part-time, full-time income. Alright, 3 things that you must do. You must show up, be consistent, and be coachable. Okay? You'll be basically building a brand, including a faceless brand. That's if you want to. It's pretty much up to you. You don't have to do that. This is a copy. You basically copy and pasting ads on social media sites. You learn how to use social media. Basically turn your followers into customers, stuff like that. You'll be a part of our community, which is the Digital Growth Community, and you'll learn and earn, make 100% profit. You will get access to all the training replays and webinar replays. Okay, you start your 2-hour workday, copy and pasting free ads to high traffic websites for free for 30 minutes. Upload 3 pieces of video content for TikTok. Turn your followers into customers after I explain that. Then you will spend another 30 minutes learning how to respond to comments and emails. This is just a 3-step part that you'll be doing every day. Okay? For 2 hours. And then once you do that, you can go on about your day. You'll be pasting free ads on social media sites, uploading 3 content on TikTok, basically marketing this program, alright, to your followers. Then you will spend another 30 minutes learning how to respond to comments, right, and emails. Okay, comments on social media and basically emails also. So just to explain that to you guys, this is the hottest program online. So I do want to let you guys know that, or explain that to you guys. Okay. So the next thing I'll be getting at is, let me just change the brightness level on here. I'll probably go a little bit dark. So, alright, let's get that. Alright, now, this is what the funnel looks like. Alright, what I just showed you guys. Okay, this is the free funnel that you'll be getting. Okay, so once the person put their email address in, the next page you'll be getting this page right here. Okay, this is a 6-figure earner. Her name is Michelle Oneil. She actually runs the digital growth community. Alright, she's an awesome mentor. Michelle, she's made, she's made $1 million doing the same things that are basically explained to you guys here. Okay, so we're basically following her blueprint. Alright, this is Michelle Oneil. She's awesome. Just wanted to tell you that she's an awesome mentor. Okay,
how to make $900 a day, which is over $328,000 a year. Would that change your life any? Well, guys, my name is Michelle Oneil, and back in September of 2022 is when I discovered this process. And prior to discovering it, I was stressed. I was overwhelmed. I'm a mom of 6 kids. I only have 2 left at home, and time was slipping away. And I have 5 grandchildren. And you guys, time is the most important thing to me. And when I discovered this process, I was like, oh my gosh, if I can just learn how to make $54,000 a year working 2 hours a day, that would change my life. Because inside of the process, you guys, it shows you how to follow a 2-hour workday. I know, crazy, right? But it shows you how you could get your income earning activities done in 2 hours away. But let me share with you why. It's because of systems like this. Because of pages like this, you guys are going to be out there working for you 24/7. This is how I built a global business. It's pages just like this. And so let me show you a little bit what you're getting. This is what you get when you get part of the digital growth community and your legacy builder program. First of all, we are going to show you, isn't this neat, how easy and simple it is to follow? Look at this. You are going to learn step-by-step, super short training. See, 4 minutes. This one's a little bit longer, 14 minutes. This is 5 minutes. So super easy to follow training. Our goal is to get you to take action quickly. Do you see this? Launch to profit in 7 days. We actually show you how to build a business brand new and get it into profit in 7 days. Nope, my friend, you don't need a following. You don't need to have any experience. Matter of fact, I chose TikTok as my platform, and I wasn't even on TikTok prior to September of 2022. I actually thought TikTok was a dancing platform. And so when I discovered through the process here, the value of using...
So I X'd out of there because, didn't want to spend too much time on that, but just basically explaining to you guys what this process is like and why Legacy Builders is awesome. It has great training. You get webinar replays, free webinar replays, and like I said, training. You'll get to know the community, the digital growth community. All right, newbies, beginners. If you haven't made a dime and you're struggling online, this awesome program, guys, it is just too good to be true. And I'm going to show you guys the digital growth community. I'm going to show you guys proof that this system works. I don't want to spend too much time on this. Okay. So this is the website. So before I get to the DGC, I want you guys to see the website. Alright, so this is the website. Okay, there is a paid plan here. This is me right here. This is Calvina. Alright, so this is the actual website. Alright, this is plug and play. It's fully automated. Alright, this is Digital Mastery where I'm at. It's just like the Legacy Builder. I'm at the $600 Digital Mastery level. Okay, so just to scroll down, just to show you guys what the website looks like. Okay, and also, so there is a pay plan, pay in full. All right, get 3 income streams. So right here, now here it is, right here. You see, Afterpay says, or you can get started today on our payment plan. So this is one of the great things about this. If you don't have all the money, you can set up a payment plan with Afterpay, whatever the case is. Payment plan is from $300 to $900. All right. So just to show you guys what this system or program is all about, this is basically e-learning in a box. Okay. E-learning is booming, is a booming program also, alright, that you want to get yourself into the Legacy Builders program. Okay, so we are in the digital growth community, and as you see again, this is Michelle O'Neil, our mentor. Alright, so this is the community. Okay, this is Michelle Chardemeyer. She's support, basically technically. She keeps us updated on how to, done for you setup and stuff like that on techie things. If you're having trouble setting up everything, your accounts and everything with the Legacy Builders within the community, reach out to her and she will help you with whatever you need. Okay. So, the thing I want to show you guys is the wins. Stace Falk. I just launched on Monday. I had my first sale today. She came in on a blueprint and upgrade into Legacy Builders tomorrow. So excited. Congratulations, Stace Falk. Or Stacey Falk. This is Mal Johnson. $900 ding just in. What a great way to start the 4th of July weekend. Feeling blessed that I can help another person join a wonderful program and part of our amazing community. This is Sheenan Thomas 3 minutes ago. These are real testimonial proof of digital growth community, of a digital growth community. All right, so as you guys are seeing proof that this system works. Follow the system step by step, and you won't miss being consistent every day. It's a very big win for me today. I've been fighting myself to make a post on TikTok with me talking and not hiding. So today I got very frustrated and hit record, then just post it and add it to Facebook too, and I don't even really. Alright, congratulations Rachel Jones, and we can just go on. Melissa Fresnel, almost 1K in one day, celebrating my first $600 sale. Alright, 4 hours ago, and it goes on and on, guys. On and on and on. So I just wanted to show you guys the legacy builder and what the legacy builder is. Okay? I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time. This system is second to none. This is the hottest system online. And let me show you guys. We're already at 20,000 people. I wish. Alright. It usually tells us I'm all over the place right now. Look at the calendar. This is the calendar. Free webinars, Techie Tuesdays. See right here. You know. And it goes on and on. Updated training. Tech training. Free webinars, guys. This community is just so fire. So lit. You have a mentor. These are the things I basically asked for. I wanted and I got it. A mentor. You got online support. You got awesome training. If you have not made a dime online, guys, this is the program you want to get with now. My link is in the description. Check it out. Matter of fact, I'll have my number in the description too. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, I will be happy to answer them for you and be happy to help you. You get bonuses along with this awesome system. Alright? Free bonuses. Get with me, guys. Alright, my name is Calvina. I'm signing off. Don't want to take up too much more of you guys' time. Y'all have a great and successful day. Legacy Builders. Check this program out. Have a great day.